All right, how are y'all doing today? This is going to be, I'm going to be talking about stuff that you're going to be doing on Tuesday. Just going to be, let me get this all set up for you and be good to go. All right, so Tuesday, you're going to be doing a cup tower lesson, and we're going to be going over graph making. So this would be an activity that we would do in class and collect data on. Unfortunately, we can't do that. So you're going to be getting all this information. So first thing is make sure you have something to write with if you're printing this off, but you need to print or download this worksheet right here first. Once you click on that, make sure you keep this off to the side. This document, you're gonna be writing in, filling in this document. You're gonna be doing a lot of different things. Ready to go. You're gonna be doing a lot of different things on this document. So it is imperative that you have this. So now it goes through this and gives you directions. You're going to be finding out the averages of each of these groups. Make sure, and I'm just going to scan through this to show you what you have. You're going to have a graph to make right here. Make sure you follow these directions. You have another graph to finish. Make sure you follow the directions right here. Make sure you read make sure you read the top of this. You're going to be referring to this data table all the way up here all this time. And then this last graph down here, yes, it is blank because you are making the whole thing. You can create a table. You need to add lines. One of the easiest things that I've found to do is when you're putting these lines in on the graph, it's easiest just to right click on this and copy and then paste it, and then it gives you another line, and you can adjust and move that line over. But that way you don't have to go find all these different colors. You can just, click on it, then right click, copy, paste it someplace else on the screen, and then move it to where it adjusts to fit your numbers in there. So this is a video of what you would be doing in class if you were in here, and how we got that data before in that graph. So make sure you watch this video so you understand, that time frame and everything. Now, this is going to be going and showing you the different types of graphs. When you make a bar graph, when you land a line graph, that's very important because you will be expected to make graphs in here. And then you need to make sure you complete the above worksheet and submit. This is due, and this is going to be due September 1st still. So make sure you get that submitted by the end of today. So again, make sure you click on that, download that, go through, and you complete everything on here. Make sure that you do everything. The big thing is, are you creating this graph properly down here? So you have to use the different tools on the Word. And make sure you have this done properly. So again, you can use, when you go to insert, you can make a table like I did and submit that table and whatnot. I go to submit a table, there it is. I can move it. You can click on this. You can edit this table. You can delete cells, you can add cells, you can do a bunch of different things on here. So make sure that you choose the method that's best for you. Whatever you feel necessary, you can do it. You can use a draw in here and just draw the whole thing. You can use you go back to insert. You can insert a text box in here, and then you can type in different things in here. And you can change the size of it. Now the big thing is that when you click on, if you do this text box, you need to click this option, and then you need to pick this through option. That lets you do a lot of things, and it won't mess with the formatting or anything. So when you move it on the screen, it will go exactly where it is and not mess up the formatting. It may cover some things, so if you put it over top of something, it may cover it. But otherwise, it's good to go. So I'm going to delete that. And so you are just going through this worksheet, completing everything, watching these videos so you understand. And then once you get completed with that, I'm just going to hit this next button. You need to upload it onto here again. So I have documentation that you're actually doing your work for today. So make sure you upload it into here. So this right here, that's the same worksheet that I already had on that front page. And just, make sure your name's on it. Make sure you then, sorry. If you print it off, make sure your name's on it in pen. That's very, very important. And then go back into modules. And then you have, where is it going? And then you have a Nearpod activity to go through. So make sure, this is going to be going over graphs again, so make sure that you're going over that. And as a reminder, you have a lab safety test on Wednesday. Lab safety test Wednesday. You can't see this yet, but you can see it on my screen now. So lab safety test Wednesday. Don't forget it. If you have any questions, send me Camus messages. Thank you.